How to buy Lake token. So this token came under the symbol of Lake3, LAK3. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And this token is available on CoinGecko. Go and find it there. So this is the page of that token. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address, it's under the Ethereum network. Now open your MetaMask for that. Now log into your accounts. And here, select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on this token. Now click on the three lines. Click on import tokens. Now click on custom tokens. Paste the token address here. Now this is our token. Click on next. Now click on import. Now search for the token in your wallet. So just scroll down. As you can see, this is. Now click on it. And here click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, Ethereum. But make sure you have enough Ethereum on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. So after that, what you need to do, just click on swap here and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Lake3 token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.